Well, there are no charges yet, and it's not definite there will be. But with investigations reportedly out of Washington and Delaware, the Biden family is once again under a microscope. The Department of Justice reportedly digging into Hunter Biden's business practices with a sweeping investigation ranging from his dealings with Chinese and Ukrainian businesses to his own taxes.
Today, Senator Johnson and I begin a series of speeches on our investigations into the Biden family.
Republicans, including Senator Chuck Grassley, are expressing outrage this week with Hunter Biden's alleged involvement with Chinese energy company CEFC. Grassley says the Senate has records that show the company paid not only Hunter Biden, but President Biden's brother, James.
Hunter Biden and James Biden served as the perfect vehicle by which the communist Chinese government could gain inroads here in the United States.
The question is whether foreign lobbying laws were broken by not registering under FARA, the law requiring U.S. citizens to disclose any work on behalf of foreign governments.
If Hunter Biden was trying to influence any policy of the United States, whether by public relations or government relations or conversations, that is a fileable act.
Former prosecutor and defense attorney David Schwartz says if Hunter Biden was representing a foreign client as a lawyer, there may be an exception. But if he was doing anything else, the president's son could be in trouble.
We have to see what their activities were. What conversations did they have? The question always becomes, why did they hire Hunter in the first place?
Hunter Biden was also retained by Ukrainian energy company Burisma, a controversy bubbling during President Trump's first impeachment and then again just days before the 2020 election. The New York Times reports prosecutors have investigated payments and gifts Hunter Biden or associates had received from foreign interests. He is also reportedly facing an investigation into unpaid taxes, even if they had been paid back. Schwartz says that doesn't necessarily let him off the hook criminally.
Number one, it could get you out of trouble, right? You paid it off. There is no tax liability. So the matter is done. It could also be viewed from a criminal standpoint as consciousness of guilt, that once you found out that the government was investigating you for non-payment of taxes, you ran and all of a sudden you paid off your taxes.
President Biden said during the 2020 campaign that there was nothing unethical about his son's business dealings, a claim the administration continues to stand by.
I don't have anything further to add from this podium.
So far, President Biden himself has not been connected to the investigation, but the administration from the podium has not said whether he would pardon his son Hunter or his brother James. Alex Miller, Newsy, New York.